a box. What's in this box? I don't know. I don't know what's in this box. I don't know what's in this box. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. You gotta wait. Listen, I know what's in the box. Is it lots of chickens? Oh gosh, I'm so slow. What's this? Whoa. What is in this box? Is it a whole lot of chickens? What's that do? Oh, it's rubber chickens. What, you want to get them all out? Was there so many chickens? Oh, I know. Hurry up. Dump them out. Don't knock over Joanne. Oh, it's all these chickens for Hugo. Yeah. It's a box of chickens. All right, Hugo. We're going to put them away. We got to, no, we got to put them away. Little chickens. All right. No, I'm going to put them back in the box. Okay, I'm going to put them in the box. Get these chickens and put them in the box. I can't. Who goes to all the chickens? Ooh, tail. Is that a box of chickens? That's good. Yeah, get them all. You're so crazy. Oh, so crazy with this chicken. Yeah, so cute though.